Good evening, welcome to my laboratory. Okay, this is unboxing the brand new Extech LT300 light meter that we just received from Amazon.com. And let's see, I've already taken it out of the delivery packaging, which was kind of generic brown cardboard box. Unfortunately, it didn't get here by drone. Anyway, I've already cut the tape on the box, and I've noticed that there are two strips of tape on there, as if perhaps it had already been opened once and then resealed. Be that as it may, let's see what we got here. Open it up. Oh, it comes in a nice carrying pouch. That's always a plus around here. I really like to see those. Nice zipper. And what have we got inside here? We have the meter, the sense head, and the instruction manual in 4 or 5 different languages. The actual instructions are only 5 pages long, 6 pages. The rest of it is different translations for that. Okay, so let's see here. Press the on button, and whoops. Screen came up for a moment and then disappeared. Nothing. Dead on arrival. Okay, let's see here what we got. Oh, there's a tripod screw there, which is kind of nice, so you can put the meter on a tripod and then move the sense head around. There's no facility for attaching the sense head itself to the tripod, but it does have a captive cover for the sense head and a nice extendable cord. It's not detachable. It looks like from here, though, that there's maybe there's a different model that has the sense head snapped onto inside that case. Okay, so the case has a nice little stand. It's not super stable. And underneath the stand is the battery compartment. So let's take that out. Okay. The screw is not captive. That's a minus. The screw for battery compartments should always be captive. It shouldn't come out of the screw hole. Battery compartment door is completely removable. Just put the screw back in there so we don't lose it. And let's see what we got here. We have a supercell, not for retail sale battery. And that battery, let's see here. Let's just get out the old handy dandy fluke and select DC volts and connect the battery, and sure enough, that battery is deader than a darn nail there. 2.38, 2.39 volts on this battery. So that's interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can find a relatively fresh battery here. Here's a different battery. Let's see how much voltage is on that different battery. Oops. It's not completely new, but it has 8.4 volts on it, so that should probably work. Okay, so let's put the fresher battery in there. Get the little tabs in place. And screw the lid back down. It's supposed to come with a battery, so, and okay, so now it comes on, and let's see, it's got a backlight, and let's take the lid off the meter. So it's not auto ranging, obviously. The little stand doesn't really support it very well. Okay, so that seems to basically work. It's 0.61 clux. Backlight automatically shuts off. That's a feature. Range. I like that bar graph display. Bar graph display updates very rapidly. The digital display is a bit slower to update. All that's good. It has a relative mode, a reset button, max and min, reset peak, turn the backlight back on. Peak min, okay, that's interesting. And it has a foot candle mode. Okay, so that's good. It basically seems to work. Put it back into luxes. And I'll do some further testing later on. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm always suspicious when I encounter a software on-off switch, one that doesn't actually click and make a hard connection when you turn it on. So, and the battery was dead, as you recall. So I went and got a completely fresh, brand new battery. This one it measures about 9.4 volts open circuit, and I've got it hooked up in series with Fluke in the microamp range, and as you can see, the device, the meter draws about 18.7, call it 19 microamps when it's off. That's kind of disappointing. So if you get this meter and you store it for a while, be sure and take the battery out, or it will run the battery down even when it's off. But when you turn it on, it only draws about 1.5 or 1.6 milliamps, which I think is pretty good. That's decent. 1.6 milliamps. and that doesn't seem to matter whether it's actually reading light level or not. Still about 1.56 milliamps when it's on, and when the change ranges here, when the backlight is on, it goes up to about 6 milliamps. That's not bad. 6 milliamps with the backlight on and indicating, but it's that power off 19 microamps of current drain that's a little surprising to me. Okay, thanks for watching.